Hey guys, I just received my first ever robot vacuum and I am so excited. Join me for the unboxing and first time use. The first thing I saw was the quick start guide and user manual. Next, it was the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum itself. I laid it on a clean surface and proceeded to get the self-emptying base. Then I found a spare washable mopping pads. In a little box next to it, I found the plastic bag containing the side brushes. Next to them, in a white box, was the Shark cleaning solution. Side note, do not, I repeat, do not use another brand of liquid cleaning solution. You might clog up your mop attachment. Next, wrapped in a plastic bag, I found the mop attachment. The two big black flat surfaces are where to sit the self-emptying base. They serve as the floor for the docking station. I have to join them together by snapping them into place like this. Now, I just have to remove all the plastic pieces that are all over the parts and put all the pieces together. I placed the Shark AI Ultra 2-in-1 robot vacuum on the self-emptying base, ensuring the charging contacts align. We have been wanting to get a robot vacuum for a while. I wanted one that mops and pretty much does everything on its own without breaking the bank too much. So we decided to wait for Black Friday sales to get the robot vacuum at a better price. It is something I recommend anyone does. I wanted a robot vacuum that does everything for us as far as cleaning goes, from cleaning to mopping to vacuuming the carpets, carding to the floor. We wanted one that does not mop the carpet, but rather recognizes it. We wanted a bagless vacuum because we did not want to spend extra money on filter bags. We did not want to fall prey to vendor locking. We didn't even want to have to use the manufacturer's cleaning solution, to be honest. We wanted to use our favorite cleaner if possible. Unfortunately, with this robot, Shark made sure that we are to buy only their cleaning solution. We knew we wanted to go for a robot vacuum. We didn't want a regular vacuum or the new vacuum mops. Because regular vacuums or vacuum mops still requires a person to do all the work. We wanted to use the time otherwise spent cleaning for other things beneficial to us. My 4-year-old is an army of kids by himself. You would think 10 people made all the mess he just made. Luckily, we do not have any pets. The apartment is all on one floor, so this robot vacuum works for us. Those with 2 stories or 3 stories house or apartments may have a different experience with this robot vacuum. It was our first robot vacuum, so it took us a little while to get used to it. The first time we used the robot, it started mopping our apartment. After about 20 minutes, it was done and ready to go. It's not really intimidating at all. It was just a little bit of a learning curve for us. This vacuum and mop is a good option, doing what most bigger robot vacuum brands offer, without the unnecessary gadgets we did not need. We also did not want big brand prices. At around $700 normally, it does everything we need it to do, mainly mopping and vacuuming on its own at set programmed hours, with very little to no help at all. It does all of that actually. We bought ours on Black Friday for about under $400. One thing we found out is it does LiDAR, which means it works in the dark. When we are out and about, we love to get it to vacuum and mop the apartment and come back to a clean place. Well guys, this concludes our video. Please like and subscribe if you like this video and come back for more. Also, let us know in the comments section what videos you would like us to make. Thank you for watching. Shop smart!